Hello friends, welcome back again. In this video, we will try to learn about reverse forward control with time. For an example, we need a motor to run reverse and forward with delay time. So how we can do? Let's go to the AutoStation software, and here we will make one latch program. An example X0, when we press, and X1 X1 we will make the stop, and X0 will be start button, and one output we will create. Y0, this is we will take the internal memory bit, an example M0, and click enter, and here we will take the open contact of the M0, and this line will be connect with the upline. So this is our latch system will be completed. In the next row, we will take one open contact of the M0 to start our program. And next we will, with the M0, we will take one timer. So when we type TON T0 with 50 means 5 seconds time to on our first output Y0, Y1 and any. But here we will take second timer. First we will take M0, this is our main relay, and second we will take the one more timer TON T1, and time we will take the 25, for example 2.5 seconds. And next also we will take one LDM0, and next we will take one more timer TON T2, and time we will make the 50 seconds, 5 seconds for the third. Means this is first timer is for our reverse condition or forward condition, any you can think, and second is delay for the next Y1 to start. And again we will take LD M0, and one more timer we will be use TON T3, and time we will be take 25. So this is 4 timers. First one we will use for the reverse condition, and this is for the delay to start the forward condition, and this is delay for the again repeat our first reverse condition. And next we will be take again one open contact of the M0, and little make it long, and here we will take the open contact of the, this we have to be now design. This is the T0, first our reverse, when this time will be completed. And now sorry, we will take the T0, but this is contact, we need the LDI close contact, because of first our timer when starts, this close contact we will, when we will use, after this time will be work according to the Y0. And next we will take the close contact for the Y0 for an example, because of we will use it here, or Y1 you can write this one, this is nothing issue, any you can take Y1, and output we will be take the Y0, because if you make it here Y1 and here you can take the Y0 close contact to the for the interlock. Okay, and next row we will be take one open contact also M0, because of this is our main relay. And next we will be take one open contact of the T, which is our T1 is our delay time, and T2 is our look like T2 is our forward time. No, sorry, we like to need to be write it here T1, not a T2, T1. And next we will be choose the close contact T T2 and click enter. And next we will take, this is Y1 we take, and here we will take Y0 for the interlock, Y0. And next we will take the output for our Y1, because of if you used Y0 here and Y0 close contact for the Y1, because of if this will be on, so this will be not on. If this on, this will be not on. This is the safety interlock. And here what we will do, this is the when last time at T3 when will be on. This is here we will be use the close contact of the T3 to repeat our cycle, because of once we will start our program, this time when finished last this second motor reverse or forward, after it will be go back to reverse. And here we will make the contacts for the T0, and this is the T0. When this timer times up, after this T0 will be start our T1 timer, because of this is the delay for the to go to the forward or reverse condition. And here we will take the open contact of the T1, and here we will be put the open contact of the T2 and click enter. So almost our program is now completed. So we will download this program into the PLC and make it monitor. And this is look like 50 means 5 seconds and 25 means 2.5 seconds after his change his contact, yani to reverse to forward or forward to reverse, yani. Now we will give the signal at X0 and let's check our program. Now I start my X0. You can see now M0 is hold, and M0 when started, after this our program will be complete started. Now you can see Y1 is on, and as this time will be completed, delay will be started, and after that this 2.5 delay our Y0 will be start. You can see now again delay, now Y1 is on, and as this time will be completed, after delay 2.5 seconds, and after Y0 will be start. When this time will be completed, after comes delay 2.5 seconds, and after 2.5 seconds our Y1 will be on. Right, our program is correctly working. Y0 on, now delay, after the delay 2.5 seconds Y1 is on, and again this repeat this cycle. So hope guys you will be understand about this reverse forward control with the time. If not understand anything, you can send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.